Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. DBeaver tutorial, using the SQL editor. DBeaver is a free, open-source database management tool that supports various databases, including mysql, postgresql, sqlite, Oracle, and many more. It provides a powerful SQL editor that allows you to execute queries, manage database objects, and visualize results. This tutorial will guide you through using the SQL editor in DBeaver, including code examples. 1. Installation. Before you can use DBeaver, you need to install it. 1. Download DBeaver. Go to the DBeaver official website, https://dbeaver.io/download, and download the appropriate version for your operating system. 2. Install DBeaver. Follow the installation instructions for your platform. 2. Setting up a database connection. 1. Launch DBeaver. Open the DBeaver application. 2. Create a new connection. Click on the database menu and select New Database Connection. Choose your database type, example MySQL, PostgreSQL. Click Next. Enter your connection details, host, port, database name, username, password. Test the connection to ensure everything is correct and click Finish. 3. Opening the SQL editor. 1. Select your database. In the Database Navigator panel, find and expand your database connection. 2. Open SQL editor. Right-click on the database or schema. Select SQL editor, New SQL script. A new SQL editor tab will open. 4. Writing SQL queries. Now that you have the SQL editor open, you can start writing SQL queries. Below are some common SQL commands with examples. Example 1, selecting data. This query retrieves all records from the employees table. Example 2, inserting data. This query inserts a new employee into the employees table. Example 3, updating data. This query updates the department of the employee whose last name is Doe. Example 4, deleting data. This query deletes the employee record with the last name Doe. 5. Executing SQL queries. To execute your SQL queries. 1. Run selected SQL. Highlight the SQL command you want to run and click the Execute SQL Statement button, the play icon, in the toolbar. 2. Run all SQL. If you want to execute all the SQL commands in the editor, simply click the Execute SQL Script button, the play icon with the script icon. 6. Viewing results. After executing a query, the results will typically appear in the Results tab below the SQL editor. You can view results, inspect the returned data in a grid format. Export results. Right-click on the results grid to export the data to various formats, CSV, Excel, etc. 7. Saving your work. To save your SQL scripts. 1. Click on File Save or press Ctrl+S. 2. Choose the location and file name to save your SQL script. 8. Using code completion. DBeaver provides code completion features to make writing SQL easier. Autocomplete. Start typing a SQL command and press Ctrl+space to see suggestions. Keywords and tables. DBeaver will suggest SQL keywords and table names based on your context. 9. Using the Query Manager. DBeaver includes a query manager to track your executed queries. 1. Open the Query Manager from the View menu, Query Manager. 2. You can view the history of executed queries, their execution time, and results. 10. Additional features. Syntax highlighting. DBeaver provides color-coded syntax highlighting for better readability. Database Explorer. Use the Database Navigator to explore tables, views, and stored procedures visually. ER diagrams. Create entity relationship diagrams for your database schema. Conclusion: DBeaver is a powerful SQL editor that simplifies database management and query execution. By following this tutorial, you should now be able to connect to your database, write and execute SQL queries, and manage your database effectively. Feel free to explore additional features and customization options to enhance your workflow.